mira, porque no hable mierda. Ponte cachazo, que se dan de cuña y...
¿De qué? ¿Cómo?
No, club, el sangrero que la tiene de aquí a allá finita. Pero además no, yo trabajo en turismo, trabajo en la compañía. Vienen, nos paramos ahí con los 15 de semana, vienen a limpiar lo que está, a poner la repisa que estamos del piso pidiendo. Le digo que me despegara de ahí, porque
Bless you. Sorry, I wake everybody up. I'm actually told there. Like in
long
eight, like in 8 or 7 hours, you're gonna be home.
Yeah, no, not that much. I think we're gonna be
So
five hours.
5 hours. Because the flight is like 4 hours.
Yeah.
You not live far away from the airport?
No, just 15 minutes.
Oh. You're driving.
Yeah, taxi.
That, Caribbean, US, Canada, Mexico, South America. Okay. Yeah, I might go to see a baseball.
Next July. You can come also see the baseball.
Baseball,
Blue Jays.
Blue Jay, yes, you know, Jose Reyes, Jose Bautista, Miguel. They have
All playing for the Blue Jays.
yes.
But come for the see the Blue Jays and see the Pan American.
Okay.
Viejo o nuevo.
¿Eh?
Viejo o nuevo.
El viejo, chico. Si te mandan con... Sale el aceite. Dile que corta, bájame eso, por favor. Pásame el micrófono. Pásale el aceite del que Okay, sir. In 2 minutes we're gonna get to the airport. Please remember to take everything out. Don't leave nothing inside. If you leave something inside, I'm gonna keep it with me and give you back when you come next year. If you don't come, you know what's gonna happen. Also, when we get there, you have to wait inside the bus like for 2 minutes after we take all the luggage out. After that, you can come out. Are you get me? Okay, thank you for having just my beautiful country for your vacation. And I hope to see you next year. And God bless your flight back home. If you want to give something to the driver for Christmas, you can. And he gonna appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
De nada.
Gracias.